Hello everyone, this video I will guide you how you can add an item on TranZact. So first of all you need to click on browse modules. Now go to inventory module. Please click on this now. Once the inventory module will open, you need to go in item master. So by default item master remains selected. Now on your right hand side you will see an option of add single item. Click on this. After that, please check here is the item series. You can customize it as per your requirement and you can add multiple series as well. Then after you need to provide a name. So suppose this is RM100, this is my raw material. I will go ahead and type the item name. So let's take an example. It is blue paint, one of my item. Now the blue paint is the item which I typed. After that, it is a product. Is it a buy, sell, both? You can select it as per the requirement. Do you purchase it, do you sell it, or do you purchase and sell both as per the trading? Now the unit of measurement, I will go ahead and select the liter option here. You can add alternate unit of measurement as well. Item category, as mentioned, this is a raw material. What is the current stock of it? You can add it right now or you can add it later on as well. Default price, so I will provide a default price for this, so 200 rupees a liter. I can go ahead and select other prices as well, like regular buying price, wholesale buying price. So these options are also available. Now going below, HSN code, tax, so I will select the tax. I don't have an HSN code right now, so I will leave it. Then after, minimum stock level, maximum stock level, these fields you can go ahead and fill as per your requirement, so that your inventory management will be in a good manner. After filling the details, you just need to click on save. Once saved, please check the item is created. I can go ahead and check that RM0100 is added in my inventory. I hope this video will be helpful to you in order to go ahead and add a single item on TranZact. Have a good day ahead.